In front of me is SONY Xperia 5.2, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer. Let's enter keypad, and the first code that you can use, also the shortest one, is *#06#. And as you can see right in front of you, you've got both IMEI numbers and serial number assigned to your device. So smoothly enter this code and you will be provided with details regarding your phone. Then tap on OK to go back. Another code that you can use here in your Sony is *##225#*#. And here you've got the whole calendar info. So if you will enter this code, you will be provided with all events, celebrations, important dates, and so on regarding what you've got in your calendar. So as you can see, you've got holidays in country you're currently staying, also the events assigned to your Google Calendar, and those which you can find in your device's calendar. So it's super useful. It's just one code and all important dates are right in front of you. Another code that you can use here is *#426 ##. And here we've got diagnostic mode, where you can check events and also status. If you'll tap on more icon, you will be able to enroll advanced view. Just click here, and here it is. So this is it. And the last code that I would like to show you is *#4636 ##. And now we are in testing mode. You can smoothly check here phone info, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. If you will click on phone info, you will be able to check email number, phone number, and so on. Everything is right in front of you. Then under user statistics, you've got detailed info regarding the usage of your apps. And then in Wi-Fi information, you can reach Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. Under Wi-Fi APA, you've got disable network, disconnected network, enable network, configure networks, and the whole connection info. Then under configured networks, you'll be able to find all configured networks. And then under Wi-Fi status, just refresh it, you can smoothly check the current status of your network. Also, this mode allows you to perform a ping test. So just click here, and here it is. So basically that would be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.